हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ प्रेजेंट और आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। आज के वीडियो में जो हमारे साथ कैंडिडेट ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं उनका नाम है सोजल। और ये जो वीडियो है वो एक बेसिक रिएक्ट इंटरव्यू है। इसमें ज़्यादा टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे जाएंगे। अगर आप एक फ्रेशर है और इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो स्पेशली आप लोगों के लिए। तो पूरा वीडियो देखिएगा और क्वेश्चनों से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा कि आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं। अगर आप इसी सेम इंटरव्यू में होते या आप कोई भी कंपनी का इंटरव्यू देते और वहाँ पे आपसे सेम यही क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता तो क्या आप इसका आंसर दे पाते कि नहीं। तो अपने आप को हर एक क्वेश्चन से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा और देखिएगा कि आप ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं। और अगर आपको भी ऐसा ही एक मॉक इंटरव्यू देना है तो आप मुझे ईमेल आईडी पे मेल कर सकते हैं, मेरी लिंक्डइन आईडी पे मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं और हमें कमेंट सेशन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं कि आप भी मॉक इंटरव्यू देना चाहते हैं। और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा।
सो हाय सुजन, आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पर। सो वी स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो टेल मी
Yes,
अबाउट
ma'am.
योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट।
Ma'am, my name is Sojal Kumar Soni, and recently I have completed my BCA from the Technion Institute of Advanced Studies. And now I am exploring web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and the MERN stack. And my ultimate aim is to become a software engineer where I can optimize my skills. That's all about myself.
Okay.
So did you have done an internship?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, let's move to the next question. What is JavaScript?
Ma'am, JavaScript is a lightweight programming language which is used to manipulate DOM elements.
Correct. Is Java a single-threaded language?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if Java is single-threaded, how does it handles asynchronous operations?
Ma'am, there are multiple methods to handle asynchronous operations, like using async, and sorry, ma'am, using asyncs and await options and callbacks and
Okay.
uh, callbacks, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Achieving synchronous behavior using web APIs, callback, microtag queue, and events loop.
Okay. So how much you rating yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript yet?
Ma'am, 7, ma'am.
Okay. In all of them, yeah, you have different like.
No, ma'am, all of them.
Okay. So what is closer?
Closures, ma'am,
Hmm.
where closures is a method where we can access uh, parents variable to inner variable inner scope. That's called closure.
Okay, let me correct it. A function that remembers the variables from its outer scope even after the outer function has finishing executing. So this process is known as a closures. Okay, let's move to the next question.
So I gave one question in your chat. Uh, Tell me what is the output of this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I send it. So tell me the output of this. Also share your screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm able to see. Okay. So answer this question.
Console.log start set timeout.
Yeah.
Uh, Timeout to 0. Promise.resolve. Then promise and end. Ma'am, first it will print a start,
Okay.
then it will then it will print
First is print start,
then it will print and
okay, correct. And
then timeout, then promise maybe. I
okay.
am confused between. these tools:
Okay, no
timeout and
problem.
promise.
No problem. Okay, copy this code and do you like open any VS Code or where you run the code? So just open any compiler, write down properly it. Run this. Yeah. So now you got it. Why promise is first and timeout is after that.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so here what is happening? Set timeout is a callback function. So callback function is placed in the callback queue and wait for the event loop. And promise is a micro tag. So promise are added to the micro tag queue which has higher priority than the callback queue. So that is why promise come first and set timeout come later. So your answer is correct. Start come first, then end. But you confuse between start and promise. So promise is come first because it is micro tag, and set timeout is come later because it is callback function, and it goes in the callback queue, and callback queue have a lower priority. Okay.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, check your chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So don't copy this first. Answer me. What is the answer of this question? What is the
Ma'am, it
answer?
will give, maybe it will be give error because we can't use rest operator between arguments. That means we can only use the end of arguments.
Okay. So copy this and correct this. Copy this code. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Run it.
Ma'am, there is a one more error because we didn't give any name, function name.
Okay. Give it.
Mm, let me check. Is there any other error?
Okay.
Console.log. Uh, AC rest copy. Okay, ma'am. I think it is good.
Okay. Run it.
Can I run, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Can we have add this dot rest in the between this parenthesis parameter? Can we add in middle? There is any way to do that?
No, ma'am. I don't know any other method.
Okay, I will tell you. There is one way we can use this rest parameter in between. Okay, put it between like rest parameters. Put it in between. You can remove this C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and in come in the function.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy this console. Copy this console. Console.log. Yeah.
Yes.
In return statement, place it. Oh, yeah, place this. Yeah, and comma return C. Comma write C. Yeah, and in remove the line number eight. Remove line number eight.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, write const. Uh, yeah, here const C equal to. You can write three.
3.
Yeah. Now you try this.
Okay.
So go ahead.
Ma'am, uh, ma'am, but in the parameter we are uh,
Yeah, in the
uh,
parameters we are not able to do. But if somebody asking how can you do this in using this res parameters in the middle, so you can use like function like this. Okay.
okay, ma'am. I thought you told me how can do it in parameters
No, in parameters we can't do that because rest parameter must be used in the last
at the end. Yes,
at
ma'am.
the end. Last at the end. Okay. So let's move to the next question.
So, what is CSS Box model?
CSS box model, ma'am. First,
Object. Hmm.
content, then content border, sorry, padding, border margin.
Padding, border, margin.
Yes,
Padding.
ma'am. First,
Uh,
content, padding, border margin.
okay. So, contain what part it contain? Like in contain what?
That is, ma'am, basically
Suppose,
elements of the.
suppose you have a text. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
text. So contain part what carry? Text carry. Okay. So padding. What is padding?
Padding, ma'am, means inside the elements space. Basically,
Okay.
uh,
And margin. Oh, sorry, border.
margin
Border.
border basically uh, corner of the elements, ma'am, and
Okay,
the
correct.
margin is a space between two elements.
Yeah. Elements. Okay, correct. You're correct. Okay, so thematic and non-thematic element in HTML.
Ma'am, semantic elements which are describe the meanings to the developer and the browser, that's called semantic elements, and whereas non-semantic didn't don't describe them their meanings. Semantics
Oh,
are like header, footer,
mm-hmm.
uh,
Yes, correct.
table, like this.
Non-thematic.
Non-semantic like means div, span, h1.
Okay, let's move to the React. So, how to prevent unnecessary re-rendering in React?
Unnecessary rendering,
Yes.
and we can
Hmm.
use ref.
Okay. Another way, only ref is used for unnecessary re-rendering.
uh, I don't know, ma'am, any other method.
Okay. Uh, you know about use memo.
Yes, ma'am, I know, but I didn't use it in any project, ma'am.
Okay. Use callback. Okay,
No,
not
ma'am.
used it. Okay. Okay, what is virtual DOM?
Virtual DOM is a, ma'am, lightweight copy of the real DOM. Uh,
Hmm.
that and it's basically compare the previous virtual DOM, and then it make changes where previous DOM change, then it will re-render, basically
Okay.
change their nodes.
Okay, correct. What is use state?
Use states, ma'am, it is a uh, it is a objects, ma'am, which is used to manage components data.
Okay. Manage
And
component. Manage component data name state. State. Okay.
yes, ma'am, manage components state.
Okay. So what is prop drilling?
Prop drilling, ma'am, it is a way, it is a concept where basically, ma'am, it is a disadvantage when we have to pass the data from the grandparents to child, then we
Mhm.
have to first pass to the parent, then it will pass to the child. That is the prop drilling.
Okay, like it's correct, but you also say that when we need to pass through multiple components, like probably
Yes,
in
ma'am. Yes,
passing multiple. Okay. Okay, I will give you one question related to Java, then we move to Java's React. Okay. So your
okay, ma'am.
first question is you have to write one code. I give you one string. Okay, in chat I will give you one string. This hello, but you simply reverse it, this hello. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to return only hello
Hello in reverse order.
or reverse order.
Yeah. You have a hello, and now I want zero. Sorry, not zero.
O
O
O L L
L
E H.
E H. Yeah, that was I want as output.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I use inbuilt method or I can use
You can use any method. There is no problem with inbuilt. You just write. How can you do this? Then we implement to. Okay.
okay.
Remove this unnecessary code. We don't need. Hmm.
So, is there any reverse method? I forget that. Is there any reverse method or not?
Yeah, reverse
Inbuilt.
matrix is there.
Okay, ma'am.
But
Uh,
reverse is sufficient for
word
all the yeah all the word is sufficient. But if you have what is my name and I want
sentence.
yeah, so it will not work,
Oh,
no?
then I have to use loops.
Okay.
Uh, यहीं
Not
पे मैं
working.
कैसे मैं यहीं पे ऐसा कर सकता हूँ मैम str.length
Okay.
एंड यहाँ पे मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ मे बी सॉरी मैम str.length आई से स्टार्ट होगा ठीक है न्यू str str.length equals to str के अंदर जो है हमारा आई इसके अंदर लेंथ है मतलब दैट मीन्स 1 0 1 2 3 4 यहाँ पे बेसिकली ये -1 तक देगा it will be 0 तक can I run ma'am
Yes, you can run. Actually printing empty.
yes ma'am str dot i str के अंदर जो आई है उसको प्रिंट कर दो तो str का जो आई वैल्यू बेसिकली
Oh, why using? I think this for line number 4 you are using this length. Why are you using this length?
Ma'am, basically
Yeah.
it counts the length minus one. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove this square bracket from here. Yeah. Remove this square bracket. Yeah. Uh, Space, like add plus operator equal to string I. Okay. A space. Yeah. Here. And run it. It give one. It should work.
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes, ma'am.
work now.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is why I'm saying, why are you using string dot length? Okay. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
let's move next question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is filter?
Filter, ma'am. It's find the first conditions elements which we have passed the condition.
Yeah, condition
First
based.
element.
Okay. Yeah. And what is map?
Map, ma'am, means it's basically iterate all the elements of array
Hmm.
or string and return a new array.
Okay, correct. And there is another method, reduce.
Reviews,
Reduce.
reduce, ma'am. It is used to find the basically reduce the elements. Basically, our output will be in one elements.
Yeah, single elements. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the coding part. Oh, so now you need to make make one to-do list. Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
where you have an input field and add button. So whatever you like write in the button, in the input, add button will add in this in your to-do list. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Go. Okay. And second, you have another button, that is it, sorting button. So when you click on sorting button, it will sorted your to-do list. Okay.
Okay.
And other button is for sorting in the reverse order. Okay.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Ma'am, can I Google for command, ma'am?
Yeah, you can
I,
Google. No, no problem.
I
You can
forget that.
Google. No. Yes.
Mhm.
You have 10 minutes. Okay. Within 10 minutes, you have to write your code. 10 to
Ma'am,
13 minutes.
there is a okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a input button and there is a add and
Yeah,
sorting
one is sorted in correct
ascending
order.
order and
Another. Other is
This time.
reversible. Yeah. So
But I'm not.
actually some net issue, that is why it take time.
Okay, ma'am. I was there where I forget that.
Okay.
Uh,
Previous and task. Okay.
Yes, uh, using a array. Set task.
But in Porto, you are not using this task.
Where, ma'am?
Inside the input.
Input.
If you
Yes, ma'am. Set handler.
passing value, the
Yes,
value
ma'am. I
equal
am
to.
passing. Sorry, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
My voice is clear now. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you show me your application right now? How much it is working?
Is there any error, ma'am? What's error? Task dot map is not defined. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Task because there is no any task, so it is saying error maybe.
So I will tell you. In input, you write value equal to task
In input.
box. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Value.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
That's what I'm
I
saying from
forgot
the
that.
bit. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Again, it is giving me error.
What's
An error
that?
occurred through
When
task dot map.
your list is not loading, that is why it's loading. You can see that task.map is not a function. It means you have written something wrong in this function. Can we check the syntax? Okay, you can Google this map syntax.
Okay, ma'am.
Google it map syntax. Yeah, a map in React. Hmm. Maybe you did something wrong with the syntax. Yeah, copy this and try to use this. Only number dot map you copy and change according to your. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. And
Okay, ma'am. Now it's not showing any error.
zeroed it. Okay, now error is shown.
Okay.
Okay, can you type something in the input box?
Okay.
Edit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it added, but it gave error because you are not
Yes.
using key.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have to use. Uh,
Pass key, no?
yes, ma'am. Now it's good, ma'am.
Okay, remove this console errors. Okay, add something. Okay, now it's good. Okay, can you implement shorting button?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Sorting.
Yes, shorting path.
Hmm. List. I have to do according to the list. Check each
You
and
can also
every
use inbuilt function.
uh, uh, list. List.
Sorry.
What's error here? Unexpected token. Array dot sort. There is a equal.
It already shorted now. Try
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
something randomly now. Write
Decrements.
yellow. Write yellow. Decrement is not implemented, I think. Okay, add it. Write zebra. Add one more element, no? Zebra. Not zebra. Apple. Apple. You write apple.
Okay.
Apple. Add it. Click on
No,
shorten.
ma'am, it's not working.
Hmm.
I think where I have. Uh, Let me check. List dot sort.
I don't.
Oh, okay, okay. It may be. I think I have to use each element. Maybe
Yes. So how can you do that?
like this.
Okay.
Mm,
Let's see.
dot sort. Let me check. Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Okay.
Okay.
But it
Uh,
when you click that time it doing. Okay. Click on descending.
Ma'am, I didn't apply for descending. Let me
Okay.
just a minute. Sorry.
Okay. Run it.
Uh, El dot sort is not a function. What's error here? Uh, Element. Just a minute. Let me refresh it.
Okay. No error.
Uh,
Yellow, apple, apple you can run. Orange,
uh, no, it's not working. Element dot sort is a not a function.
it's not a
Uh,
function. There is a easier way as well. Okay, you know this previous. You use this operator. I give you
yes,
one
ma'am.
hint. Same thing you need to implement here. So try it.
Just so like that. Maybe
Just tell
have.
me what this previous is doing here.
Basically, it's providing the previous all elements.
Yeah. So if we need to do sorting, if we need to do sorting, so we need all the list. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So same thing you implement here.
Uh,
And
just
don't
a minute.
use this map. Without map, we can do this.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. List. Uh, Sorry, I have to use previous. That use dot previous. Mm, Previous dot sort here. Yes, ma'am. Now it's working. Okay. Same again. I have to do it like here.
You can use instead of a minus b, you can simply use reverse version.
Dot.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's working. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's working.
So, okay, stop sharing your screen. Okay. Do you have any question? Yeah. Okay. One more thing. How much
Yes,
you
ma'am.
give yourself in this interview out of 10?
I think I need to practice more. I will give
So
six.
how?
First.
Okay. Yes. I also give you 5 and 6 because
On theoretical part you are good, but if we are come on your coding part, technical skills, so you do some mistake in syntax, so you need to improve that and little bit more work on your coding part. And theoretical part also improve, so in both part you need to do some work. So that's it.
No, ma'am.